Today we're at a KFC site on York Road in Doncaster. The reason for the visit today is to install one of our FiltaVent systems. The FiltaVent system is an automated duct cleaning system that sprays biological enzymes directly into the ventilation system, which achieves ongoing TR19 compliance. The system is installed within a couple of hours in 15 simple steps. Step 1. Securely fix the unit to the wall. Step 2. Access the hood and connect the tubing to the extraction system. Step 3. Neatly feed the tubing down the piping ready to be connected to the fluid. Step 4. Feed the rest of the tube through the canopy. Step 5. Connect the tubing to the FiltaVent unit. Step 6. Place the bottle of fluid behind the FiltaVent unit. Step 7. Once the tubing has been connected to the bottle, cut the tubing in the canopy to the correct size. Step 8. Add the first nozzle to the end of the tube and fix in place. Step 9. Fasten the end nozzle with cable tie. Step 10. Evenly cut the rest of the tube and attach the remaining nozzles. Step 11. Repeat this step until all the nozzles are fitted. Step 12. Tidy up the wiring and the tubing around the FiltaVent unit. Step 13. Turn on the FiltaVent unit and program the system. Step 14. Test that all the nozzles are correctly spraying. Step 15. Add the filters back on the canopy.